Hello everyone, welcome to JS Quick Bites. Ever wonder how the magic happens behind the screens when you interact with the website? Today we are taking a bit-sized look at the DOM manipulation in JavaScript. So first starts with what is the DOM? The document object model or a DOM represents your web page's structure. Think of it like a tree with HTML tags as it branches. For example, let's say this is a paragraph, and if I want to change this, in this particular case, if you observe, let me inspect this so that you can see inside the body we have two tags. One is h1, second one is a paragraph. Let's say, for example, I want to change the content inside this paragraph. It is saying I am paragraph. Let's say I want to change this. The first step is you need to select the particular tag and then you can perform actions on it. So now let's see how to select a particular paragraph. We have multiple ways in order to do this selection. First one is a query selector, using which we can select any type of tag in HTML. So in the other ways or through ID or through a class name. So let's say I wanna use query selector here in order to select this particular P. For that, let me add a script here. Document dot query selector is something which I wanna use. Query selector of this is P, and it should be wrapped here. Let's see, console log this one. See the output. See this? So the paragraph has been selected. Now selection is done. The second step is I want to change the content inside it. So in order to change it, we use text content. Let me show you how to do it. Selected P of selected P, sorry, dot text content equals to say content changed. Fresh. I can see earlier it was showing I'm a paragraph. Now it is changed to content changed. So irrespective of the tag that you wanna target or change, the first step is selecting the tag. So here what we have done, so we have used document dot query selector, using which we are selecting a element that is a P. If you replace this with h1, see what happens. This, okay, now this is actually showing I am paragraph again. This is what we have written over here inside the p tag, right? So this is exactly showing, but in place of DOM manipulation, as we have selected h1 here using text content, we are changing the content. So in place of DOM manipulation, now we are seeing content changed. Okay, so this is how we can change the content. Okay, it's not just embedding content into this. You can actually add a class or id to the paragraph or any other tag as well. Let's see how to add a class to it. I'm just changing this to paragraph just because I want to add a class to this. So in order to add a class to a selected paragraph, all we need is selected, copy this, p dot pass dot add. What we want to add, let's say styling. So styling is the name of the class that I wanted to add to this particular paragraph. So let's see the output. See this, class name has been added, which is styling. not just changing the content or adding classes or IDs to a selected tag. We can even do the styling as well. In order to do that, selected p dot style. Let's say for example I want to change the color. So add red. You can see here color has been changed to red. In case if you want to add a border to it, dot style dot border UPX, right? You see, this is how you can select any element. You can change the content inside it, or you can add classes or IDs to it, and you can even do the styling part as well. And that's a wrap on the basics of DOM manipulation. Stay tuned for more JS quick bites.